So if you guys remember last time's video where I installed Windows 11 on this hardware, I actually installed it on this hardware with Tiny 11. And here I'm going to show you proof. Turn that on. Not going to boot from USB. There it is. We have the boot screen. And I actually success downloading Tiny 11. See? It's a success. Oh, shoot. So yes, Windows, or should I say Tiny 11 is on there. But if we do Windows and R, if that even works on Tiny 11, first we gotta wait till, nope, that was fast. So if we do that, when it is actually Windows 11 and not Tiny 11 for some reason. And the question, did I activate Windows? I did not activate Windows 11. So I can't even turn on dark mode, which sucks. Now, let's restart the device and boot from USB. And today, you're wondering why this USB is in here. Because, well, do you remember CloudReady that Neverwhere had? And then Google bought it somewhere in 2021 or 2022, I guess. Yes. And we are installing CloudReady in 2024. Will it be a success or a failure? Let's find out. So if you're wondering how the heck I install, how I had the what's it called again? CloudReady image? Well, if you go to Wayback Machine and type in neverwhere.com/free download, you know what? You can just do it on your own. And I had a shutdown sound. This one has one too, but it's different. That's the final shutdown of Tiny 11, which is not Tiny 11 because it says it's Windows 11. Escape. Now, when I installed Tiny 11 on this, the only storage I can install on this was 14.2 gigabytes. 14.2. That is so useless. And I am running an Asus Chromebook CN60 Panther. So first, let's just go to the boot menu. Boot from USB. Moment of truth. Oh my god. Oh my god. There is no way. There is no way that worked. Oh my goodness! There is no way! On an operating system bought by Google, I am in shock. I am in complete shock. What? What? Oh my god. Wi-Fi. Dude, what? Oh my god, there's no way. Let me enter my Wait. There is no... Oh my. What? Okay, I'm gonna enter my thingamajig. But how? How did that work? Wow. Oh my god. Oh my goodness gracious. While I was signing in, I saw the OS version 87.4.22. The latest version of Chrome OS is 1.20, 120, yeah, 120, dude. Oh my, wait, I didn't have to do installation? Well. No, actually. What? 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 How? They got the data from Chrome OS Flex? Oh yeah, if you're asking, this is the Windows 7 wallpaper. I want it for, I have it for memories. I mean, that's obvious. Install OS. Oh. Dude. Oh my god. Of course I'm human. Huh. That's awkward. So yes, I have a Chromebook startup sound. I am gonna put 9, no, not Windows Me, it sounds terrible. Save. Okay. I thought it was not gonna install the operating system, but it's just gonna let you. In the moment of truth, I am gonna be the first YouTuber to install CloudReady bought by Google in 2024. 3, 2, 1. Oh. Nah, I'm not gonna plug that yet. Okay, it was not kidding when it said the machine will automatically shut down. So I think this means when I release this USB stick, I'll be the first ever person to install CloudReady, made by Neverware, bought by Google in 2021, and now installing in 2024. My God! My God! Oh my! Oh my God! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness gracious! Oh my God. Oh my, dude. I did not expect this to work. Oh my God. Dude, oh no. Oh wait, when it says checking for updates, oh, I think it might fail. Wait, I think it might fail. Oh, it worked! Oh my God! Dude. Oh my God. OS 87.4.22. My God! Okay, after I enter all of this, I'll continue. Dude. Oh my God! when I press this button, I will be the first ever YouTuber. You know it. I said that like, I don't know, 3 times. Oh! Oh! Oh my God! Dude! Oh my God! Oh my God. Oh, I forgot. Neverwhere's dead. Dude! What? What the? This setting is managed by your administrator? What? Huh? Media plugins. As of January 1st, 2021, Flash is no longer supported. Huh. That's awkward. Wait. Oh, man. Oh, they got the old one. You know what? Let's set up this. This is kind of cool. Change account. Oh. Google Assistant. Oh, heck yeah, boy. Linux. About CloudReady. Wow. Okay, let's check for updates. Any good updates? CloudReady, which is dead. Oh my God, wait a minute. Copyright 2024, Neverwhere and Chromium authors. What? What? How? How? There is no freaking way. Oh, look. Well, it's up to date. Let's try and run Linux. Oh my God. Bro, this is ancient. Oh, I go on 5 gigabytes. Boy, this is ancient. Boy, oh God, this is ancient. Hey, they got the old start thing. They still have Treasure Arena, which I used to play in the old days. What's locked? Dude. Oh my God. I don't know why Google decided to buy Neverwhere. I think it was probably because CloudReady had less features than Chrome OS. But still, Jesus Christ. How in the world? Okay, the reason why I'm doing Linux, I'm gonna test out some games, snaps, you know. Okay, hate light mode. I wanna go to dark mode. I wanna go, oh, it's right there. Oh. Huh. Dark! No! Whatever, oh, that's much better. And okay, it finished. Yippee! Now I'm gonna run an exe. Wait. What? Huh. That's a bit awkward. Okay, I'm gonna try to run some exe files, but I forgot the video. God dang it. First up will be new Club Penguin. Let's go with Debian Linux. Installing, done. Now, install with Linux. Moment of truth, boys. Oh, what about again? Moment of truth. Oh my god! Well, what about? Let me check. Okay, it is called Crossover, I think. Shout out to Irwin Tech for this running how to run exe on a Chromebook, aka Chrome OS Flex or CloudReady if you're somehow able. And if it doesn't work, we're gonna do Windows 10 in browser. Installation progress. Start trial. Look, redirecting to guacamole. I'm in Windows 10. Okay, I should probably stop screaming. Well, I should have not done that in the first place. Okay. Alright guys, I'm gonna do the crashing command prompt. So be prepared. Oh my god, why is the screen? Thank you. Okie dokie, let's see what happens. Oh. What happened? There's no blue screen of death. Oh my god, it crashed. It literally crashed. Well, that's one way to break. That's one way to break Windows. Oh, so savage. Oopsies. Nope, I'm not gonna do that. Start trial. Okay. Next time, this time we're gonna do the automatic reboot. All right. Oh my god, why is it so? Okay, that's better. There's the command. Your PC will automatically restart in 1 minute. Windows ran into a problem and needs to restart. You should close this message now and save your work. Thank you. There it is. The success. Now let's do the original thing that I normally do before Windows automatically shuts down. Hey, Windows. Oh my god, they don't have the blue bar? Come on, Windows. Okay, we got the task manager, the control panel, which is all in one button dump. We have Microsoft Edge and a giant settings thing, which I do not know how it works. As you can see, it is lagging. I think it's because... Uh-oh, everything stopped working. Oh no. Everything stopped working. Oh my god, it automatically restarted. Well, it did not automatically restart, it just crashed. When I did this with Tiny 11, it just rebooted the device like nothing happened. Is it finished? How is it still not finished? Oh my god. Yeah, it's still 98%. Next. Okay, I totally thought. Bro, they can't even make it fit the darn screen. Whatever. Wait. Control delete works! Now for the unthinkable. Oh my god! 3, 2, 1! Whoa. Okay, let me guess. It crashed. Yep, knew it. It crashed. I swear to God. How is it still not even... What the... End of support for VirtualBox and Flatpak. Oh my god. Stop asking me to subscribe. I'm gonna start the trials all I want. First I gotta close all of these. Okay, let me close all of them. How? It was at 98%. It was still installation. Oh. Press over. Okay. Can we install Steam? Hold on. Press over. My God! Okay. At least one of the applications work. Steam! Oh my god, I'm literally gonna download Steam on I'm literally gonna download Steam on CloudReady. Oh my god. Yes. Oh my. No, I don't want to see the details because it looks like a dark command prompt. Dude. Oh my god! I'm literally installing Steam on CloudReady, version 84. Well, yeah, version 84. Dude. First, yeah, never mind. Linux. Oh my god. Oh wait, not version 87. Version 8, yeah, it's 87. Let's see if there's any updates. Come on, is there any update? Come on, CloudReady. Come on, is there any more updates? Is there? Oh wait, it's up to date. Because, well, okie dokie. I guess there's no Play Store. Why did I expect there was a Play Store? Sorry about that. This is CloudReady in 2024, even though Neverwhere, aka the people who made CloudReady, bought by Google. Oh my god. This. Oh my god! Statue of Liberty! 10 star, 10 star, no questions, 10 star. Sorry, MBTA water bottle. Looks like. MBTA, meet your new friend. Meet your new friend. Okay, what am I actually doing right now? What the heck am I actually doing right now? I'm literally acting like Lanky Box. What just happened? What the heck just happened? Did Lanky Box automatically restart my computer? Can Lanky Box hear me? Well, that was a surprise. Well, what a big surprise. Okay, since it failed to install, let's just delete that. Yes, I want to delete it. Okay, it's removed. So let's just install Club Penguin. There it is, Debian Linux. So I'm not gonna explain it. It's too long. There it is, install it Linux. Oh my god! Well, I guess I can't. Yeah. With the removal of Flash for 2020. What? Okay, dokie. Well, let's see the shutdown of CloudReady. Let's see the settings. Advanced. Okay. I do not live in Los Angeles. Whatever. Where's Eastern Standard Time? Yes, New York. Oh my god, it's 5:12 in the night. Just kidding. So the question is CloudReady useful? Well, not a lot. But let's see about Chrome OS Flex. And of course, I'm gonna do this in another video because why would I waste such silly time? So, thank you guys for watching about me installing CloudReady in 2024. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.